Hello students, this is your science teacher Aparna. Today we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 13, and name of the chapter is sound. So if we are talking about sound, so firstly recall just anyone is calling you, okay? If your mother is calling you, your friend is calling you, otherwise I am calling you. So you will hear a sound, okay? And recall about some instruments if you are going to the music room, and so many instruments are there, and every instrument has different type of sound. So actually what is the sound, from where it is coming? We are hearing it, okay, someone is calling, we are able to hear it, and we are hearing that sound. But what is the sound actually? Actually it is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy and it makes us hear, okay, it makes us hear. And how it is produced? It is produced by vibrations. So if question is that what is sound, then what will you say? You will say that sound is a form of energy and it is produced by vibrations and it makes us hear, okay. So productions of sounds, I am saying that sound is produced by vibrations. So firstly I have talked about musical instruments. So I have written some different type of reasons for producing sound. So if we are talking about musical instruments, so these are the points: woodwind, string, percussion and brass. So these are the reason of production of sounds. Sound is the result of vibration, okay. So if we are talking about woodwind, so you can consider the example of a flute, okay. So in flute, what you are doing? You have to blow, okay. You have to blow, and after blowing, vibrations will be there, and sound of flute is the result of that vibration, okay. So if string vibration is there, then you can consider the example of guitar, okay. When percussion is there, then you can consider in percussion, vibrations are produced by scraping, by beating. So you can consider the example of drum, piano, etc. And when you are talking about brass, so buzzing lips, okay, buzzing lips are the example of brass. So you can consider the example of trumpet in this type of vibrations, okay. So musical instruments are producing sound because of vibrations, and these are the types, okay, these are the types by which these instruments are producing sound. Flute is producing sound by woodwind, okay, you can consider is as woodwind. When string vibration is there, then you can consider the example of guitar. When percussion is there, then you can consider the example of drum and piano, and so many other instruments are also there. And when you are considering brass, then example will be trumpet. So these are the mode of the producing sound with the help of vibration in musical instruments. So there are so many musical instruments. We have taken example of only some instruments. So it was about musical instruments, but we are also producing sound. Just I am telling, so you are able to hear a sound. If I am talking and if I am saying something, then you are able to hear. So from where my sound is coming, okay. So in our previous chapter, I have told you about voice box. I have told you about voice box. So what is voice box? It is also known as larynx, okay. It is also known as larynx. It is situated here, okay. It is situated here. So previously we were talking about production of sound in musical instruments, and now sound produced by humans. So So how humans are producing sound? How we are producing sound? So voice box, yes, voice box, which is also known as larynx. Okay, and what is larynx? It is the upper part of windpipe. So we have windpipe by which we are inhaling. Okay, so upper part of that windpipe is known as larynx, and it is also considered as voice box. And there two vocal cords are present. And these vocal cords are stretched across the voice box, leaving a narrow slit. Okay, so they are leaving a narrow slit there, and when they are stretched now, so a narrow slit is there, and lung force air through the slit. So when lung force air through these slits, so it vibrates. Okay, and when it vibrates, then it produces sound. So here also that point is working, sound produced by vibration. That means vibration is cause of sound production. Otherwise you can say sound is produced by vibration. Otherwise also you can say sound is the result of vibrations. Okay, so I have drawn two pictures to make you explain about the sound production in humans. So this is the picture of larynx. So both are the same picture. Only thing is that here vocal cords are present and here vocal cords are vibrating. Okay. So you can see these are the vocal cords. Okay. These are the vocal cords. Okay. And this is the larynx. So when it is stretched, so here a narrow slit is there. You can see this is the slit between the vocal cords. So when air is going through the slit, so it vibrates. You can see in the picture, these vocal cords are vibrating, and as a result of these vibrations, sound is produced. So just like in musical instruments, vibration is cause of sound production, as well as in humans, vibration is the cause of sound production. So everywhere is sound present. If I am tapping a table, then you are able to hear a sound. It has a sound. Musical instruments have a sound. Harmonium has a sound. Piano has a sound. Guitar has a sound. Veena has a sound. Sitar has a sound. Everything has a sound. Okay. And actually, what is that? It is a form of energy which makes us hear, and it is produced due to vibration. So as well as musical instruments are producing sound by the vibrations, and the type of vibrations are like that, in which type of vibration is present in which type of instruments. So by mode of vibration and nature of the object. Okay, mode of vibration and nature of the object is responsible for the sound production. So which type of sound will be produced, it is completely depend on the nature of the object and type of the vibration. So in human also it is produced by vibration, and where it is going on? It is going on in upper part of windpipe, which is known as larynx or voice box. So two vocal cords are there, which are stretched across the voice box, leaving a narrow slit, and their lung force air through the slit, and it vibrates, and as a result sound produced. So I hope you have understand. So as well as in humans, so there are some animals, okay, so which are also following same process for sound production, and you can also do a simple activity at your home. Just take two iron nails and put it in the floor, in where soil is there. Okay, so otherwise a wooden board, you have to put both iron nail in them, then just tie a rubber band on them. Okay, when it is in rest mode, it is not producing any sound because no vibration is there, no stretching is there. But when you are stretching that rubber band, okay, when you are stretching that rubber band, then it will vibrate and it will produce a sound. So you can easily do this experiment at your home. Very simple. Just you have to make a base and one iron nail here and second iron nail here, and you have to tie a rubber band on it. Okay, so when you have tied that rubber band, it is in rest mode. So when it is in rest mode, so no stretching, no vibration, no sound. Okay, but when you are stretching it, okay, so when you are stretching it, then what will happen? Vibration will be there, and as a result of vibration, sound will be produced. So just do it at your home, and after that, if you are understanding it, then okay. Otherwise, please tell me. I will make you explain again. So till then, watch the video and try to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.